Deep in the heart of the Sahara Desert, archaeologists unearthed an ancient artifact, a mysterious, metallic capsule. Dr. Elena Rodriguez, a renowned scientist, was called in to analyze it. The capsule was unlike anything seen before, with inscriptions in an unknown language and intricate designs suggesting advanced technology. As Dr. Rodriguez and her team studied the capsule, they discovered it emitted a faint, rhythmic pulse. Using advanced imaging techniques, they unlocked a hidden panel, revealing a small, glowing sphere inside. The sphere projected a holographic image of a man, speaking in a long-forgotten tongue. After weeks of deciphering, the team translated the message. The man was from a lost civilization that had mastered time travel. The capsule was a time capsule, sent from the past to warn future generations of an impending cataclysm. The message contained coordinates and a date, just 3 months away. The scientists were skeptical but decided to investigate. They followed the coordinates to a remote part of the Amazon rainforest. There, they found evidence of an ancient, advanced civilization and a device that could manipulate time. Realizing the gravity of their discovery, they worked tirelessly to understand and operate the machine. On the predicted date, the sky darkened, and seismic tremors shook the Earth. Activating the device, they managed to create a temporal shield, protecting the planet from a catastrophic solar flare. The world was saved, thanks to the warning from the past.